Did you know this pink pot can do more than just cooking? It's about to change your kitchen game. Here's how. Let's talk about this amazing pink pot collection I found on Amazon. Not only is it adorable, but it has a unique feature that makes it an absolute must-have in your kitchen. In my kitchen too. That's why it's in my kitchen. Imagine this. You're making the perfect chicken soup and nothing sticks to the pot. But hold up, doesn't that chicken soup look good? But wait, this hot pot has a handle that actually comes off. You can stick it in the refrigerator right after you're done making something, or put it back on the stove and clip the handle back on. It's no hesitation. The transferring to another dish, this makes it so easy in your meal prep a breeze. But wait, here's the kicker. They come with lids, so thoughtful. So after you're done cooking, you just clip the little handle off and voila, put this in the refrigerator with a lid. Brilliant. Or if you need to rewarm it up, it's already in a pot. Push an easy button like this that I think a child can push. It's not like that hard. And you just flip it back on. Voila, let's cook it and warm it up. Stop using the microwave. It's not healthy. Warm up your food with the pot. And why not a pot like this? That's so pretty. It also comes with lids. Easy to clean, easy to put together. And the lids are brilliant because this company designed it for the pot, the skillet. So it's kind of cool that they can interact with each other. So you don't need a bunch of crazy lids. They can all work for one another. Look at this handy dandy spoon that it comes with that matches everything. If you're one of those matchy-matchies, then you must need this set. Stop buying those individual pots, just because it's cute or whatever from Ross or Target or Walmart. You need to buy a collection. When you're dealing with luxury and you want to look fantastic, especially if you're doing TikTok videos and YouTube videos and you're cooking for a special someone, why not cook in style? Less dishes to wash too. Because after you're done cooking with this pot, I have a lid and I just put it in the refrigerator. So I don't have to clean the pot. It's brilliant. And then I don't have to move the food to this pot, to this container, to store it in the refrigerator. Easy. And they all stack inside of each other, so it's minimum space. You don't need that much space. You can just stack them all into each other for storage. Brilliant. See? Stack, stack, stack. Very easy. Boom. Stored them. Quick, easy, simple. These pots only take 5 seconds to clean. So easy. It doesn't stick to the pot as you see here. This is not edited at all. This is straightforward, you guys. Look at it. It took no time to clean this. You can use it as a cake pan too. I know I mentioned that earlier about the red velvet, and I made a really good red velvet. But that is so awesome that you can whip it really fast. It doesn't stick. It's delicious desserts in your pot with food too. Bomb. This pot has no toxic chemicals like most pots. You ever had a cake that came out so perfect? No burnt spots and no burnt spots in the pot? Well, this is it, you guys. Look at that. Nice, fluffy red velvet. I put it in a cake pop. So it's like these little cake plastic things. You just poke it in the cake and that way, look at that. I just had to show you a little bit more. It is so moist, so bomb. It cooks so well. So if you guys are into baking, you might need to get this pot just for that. It's all about looking fantastic, minimalist, luxury, maximize the space, very easy to clean, very easy to cook. And I don't need all those rubber, containers to put food in, because this is the all-in-one baby. The links are down there, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want more content from Amazon findings or anything that's unique for the kitchen, please leave a comment, because I'm adding that new to my channel. I did a couple smoothies and stuff like that, machine blenders and stuff, but we need to minimize our space.